Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make royal flan with caramel sauce. We'll start by creating the perfect caramel base directly in your flan mold. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in the mold. Heat it gently over medium-low heat, swirling occasionally, until it transforms into a beautiful golden amber. This rich, sweet layer is essential for our royal flan. Next, let's prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a large bowl, gently whisk together 6 large egg yolks and 2 whole eggs until just combined. Avoid over-whisking to prevent too many air bubbles. Then, slowly pour in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, mixing until smooth. Finish with 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic, aromatic touch. Now it's time to bake our royal flan. Carefully pour the prepared flan mixture over the cooled caramel in your mold. To ensure a silky smooth texture, we'll use a water bath. Place your flan mold inside a larger baking pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water halfway up the sides of the flan mold. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes, or until just set. Once baked, let your royal flan cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. This gradual cooling helps prevent cracks. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate the flan for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge, then invert the mold onto a serving plate. The luscious caramel sauce will cascade beautifully over your perfect flan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.